Hey everyone, this is Chris over at Acevacuums here in Fairfax. Today we're going to talk about Electrolux repairs here at our locations and some of the issues that we see in Electrolux for repair. So those of you who don't know, we do vacuum repairs and warranty work on all major brands and a lot of other brands. One of them being which is Electrolux. So everybody knows Electrolux. They've been around for a very, very long time, since like the 40s or 50s or 60s, one of those. And we get them in here a lot. A lot of the times it's very easy to fix parts and fix these vacuums. Sometimes there are some intricate things that do go wrong. Mainly what I see in here, so the Electrolux canister vacuums is like the biggest one. They do have the uprights and stuff like that. A lot of the times we'll see people bring them in because the roller is not spinning on the power head. These are the biggest common issues that I see, is the roller won't spin. Normally what we do is check the belt and the roller. Typically speaking, that's usually fine. Now in some cases it is just a roller or a belt, which is very easy. However, those Electrolux has wands. They have electric wands and a electric hose. And typically what happens is that either the hose or the wand will go bad, in which case we'll test them and then go from there and see which one it is, whether it's the wand or the hose. Now we do have access to be able to get all those parts for the Electrolux, so if you do have a roller not spinning or the power head's not working, bring it into us because we can go through a process of elimination to figure out if it's the power head, if it's the wand or the hose. Those are the biggest issues. Some of the other issues we see is the cords won't retract back in. Sometimes we can take it apart, fiddle around with it and fix that. Most of the times you just have to replace the cord reel. Loss of suction is a big one. Usually there's a clog in the machine that we see in a lot of those Electrolux. You get a clog in the hose or in the wand or in the power head. It's very simple and easy to get those declogged and cleaned out. Very rarely do we see a motor go bad, but if you're smelling a burning smell, if you're hearing a loud winding sound or grinding sound, or seeing a lot of black residue on the top of the machine, like where the filter is, that's telltale signs that the motor is going bad and you probably want to bring it into a service center to have it looked at. But for the most part, just loss of suction, the cord's not retracting, or the power head's not working. In those cases, like I said, it could be the hose or the wand, and you just simply got to replace one of those because they are all fully electric. We do get some of them in where the power switch won't, the vacuum won't turn on. People think it's a motor or something like that. Typically it's just the switch goes bad, especially in those older vacuums that's like 20 or 30 years old that people are still using them. Just years and years of hitting that switch, it just wears it out. So it could be just a simple switch, so we do see those in sometimes as well. But if you have any questions, you can call us. We're here 7 days a week, and our phone number is 703-997-9292. So before you throw out that Electrolux, bring it into us. It's a free estimate, doesn't cost you anything, it's no obligation. Let us take a look at it before you decide to go purchase a new vacuum. If you have questions, reach out to us. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and follow us on YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a good weekend, and thank you guys.